Hello, we're here at Busch Gardens Tampa to ride the brand new roller coaster Tigris. It was so cool to see this be built a couple of weeks ago, and now we're going to go ride it. Let's go.
I think the best detail about the ride is it brings a whole new element to our thrill ride leadership. And so some of the dynamics on the ride with the roll at the top, it's called a 0G Heartline roll at the top of the ride, is just a fantastic sensation. So I think that's probably the biggest thing. You know, at Busch Gardens, we're always looking for ways to kind of enhance the experience for all of our guests. The first guests coming off the ride were just blown away by it. And then, we waited to make sure that, we had some coaster enthusiasts, some other folks that are really into these rides. They've all been thumbs up coming off the ride. They're absolutely loving it. And here's the really cool part that a lot of people don't realize too. So, this ride also allows us to highlight some of the conservation work that's being done with tigers. And even more, if you purchase something in our gift shop, some of that, portion of that proceeds goes directly back to impact in a positive way tigers out in the wild. So it's really a win-win for us. Win on the ride, win for tigers, and just great for Busch Gardens.
Kind of nervous, but really excited to try it. It looks super fast, but I'm excited. It's a lot faster than I expected.
We're here at Busch Gardens. Banks is with me. We're about to test ride Tigris for the first time.
Test ride? Oh, here we go. Right into it. Oh. Oh my God! Oh! Wow! Oh! 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 Wow!
Oh.
Whoa! Wow!
That just happened.
The hang time up there is
That
like...
was so slow.
Whew. Right, again.
I'm here for it.
Tigris is now open here at Busch Gardens Tampa. You gotta come ride it.